OpenAI finally released Sora. In this video, I'm going to be going over the release news as well as testing out the product and generating videos using Sora. This is a highly anticipated release and they just released it on their 12 days of OpenAI Christmas. We're going to go over it in this video. Before we get started, my name is Brock Mesrich. I cover all things AI for non-techies, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if that interests you. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so first of all we want to do is go to Sora.com. We are prompted with this. These are some images and videos generated with Sora. This is pretty awesome and exciting. Guys, I'm so excited to test this out. I can't even explain. So come over to log in and log into your ChatGPT account. If you have a paid account, this is already added. You already have access to this for free. Looks like there is actually an age requirement. All right, here we go. This is a pretty cool user interface. You can obviously see the featured items here. And let's go ahead and write down here what we're trying to build. All right, so let's say a waterfall in the middle of a big mountain range. We could change the aspect ratio. We could change the resolution. Let's go ahead and just do the 480p just so it's real quick. And let's make this 10 seconds. Preset. Looks like there's some presets here. So now let's go over to the storyboard. Introducing storyboard. Storyboard is a tool to help you visualize the action, sequence, and timing in your videos. Use photos and videos and text to describe each shot along a timeline before generating the final video. So this is pretty interesting. Instead of just writing out one single prompt, we're able to write out the middle of the prompt as many times as we want, and then as well as the end of the prompt in order to create the most specific video possible. Storyboard 1, a majestic waterfall cascades down the rugged cliffs of a massive mountain range. The powerful rush of water glistens in the sunlight. This sounds like an amazing prompt here. The camera pans upwards, capturing the towering peaks and expansive sky above the waterfall. And then let's go to the end here and let's say, basically my prompt is the sky begins to turn bright blue and all of the clouds quickly vanish. And it looks like I could actually expand that with ChatGPT and it's going to write this and make it more precise. Let's do the same thing for this one right here, the middle one. I think this storyboard concept is absolutely awesome. So it looks like we have 3 different storyboard different cards here, and let's go ahead and create this just to see what it gives us. We now have this majestic mountain waterfall generated in 480p 10 seconds, and let's take a look. It actually gives us 2 different ones. So if we come over to this, let's click on this. Here's the first one. That actually looks pretty cool. It looks pretty realistic. I'm surprised with a very simple prompt. And then let's look at number 2. Cool, so these are 2 pretty cool options from our initial prompt that we gave it and a storyboard we used. So we could edit our story. So it looks like we could come back to our storyboard, edit here. We could remix it. We could describe changes and create new videos based on this one. We could blend it so we could transition between this video and another one. This is pretty cool. However, now let's move on. All right, so now that I generated a very simple video using Sora, and it's taking forever to actually generate videos since it's just released, I want to go and look at some of the stuff that the community has actually generated. So these are different videos generated. Look at this coffee with fire in the background, this person flying through space. This is insane right here with this guy, talking at a presentation. Look at this one. This is insane. Somebody generated the Rome Colosseum. And let's look at what the prompt was. So the prompt is a video of the Colosseum in ancient Rome. So we could actually edit this prompt and create a video based on this video that was made by somebody else. So let's edit this prompt. And let's now turn this into a 16:9 view. So the cool thing about this is we could actually edit this prompt and turn this into our own. So we could go to the storyboard and change this just by using this template that somebody else created. So let's go back and look at some of the other stuff. Guys, this is blowing my mind. These videos look so realistic. Look at this cowboy taking a hit from his vape. Very random. Whoa, this is major throwback video. So this person prompted this to find lost footage and recreated this. That's insane. Now this is like a video game almost. So let's see what the prompt was for this one. A high energy race set in a vast rugged desert. So lastly, I want to talk pricing so you could know who could actually use OpenAI Sora. So this is now released to ChatGPT Plus users. So if you're a Plus user on the $20 per month plan, you can now sign up, basically log into your account, and you could start just by clicking start now. Get up to 50 priority videos and up to 720p resolution and 5-second duration. So if you want to do any longer than that, you're going to need to upgrade to the ChatGPT Pro plan that they just released for $200 per month. That is 500 priority videos, so quick upload videos. You get unlimited relaxed videos, which takes a bit longer to actually generate. And then you get up to 1080p resolution, 20-second duration, and 5 concurrent generations. You can download without the watermark. So looks like if you really want to get serious with Sora, you're gonna need the ChatGPT Pro plan for $200 per month, which can get a bit costly. So guys, that's it for this video. I wanted to cover this brand new news that came out today. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover all things AI for non-techies. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure to comment what you are generating below and give me your thoughts on the product. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.